Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the FUTBIN app. So let's get started. So to use the FUTBIN app you have to follow this instruction. So at here I will just go and search for the FUTBIN. So here you can see the FUTBIN. You can just agree the term and condition. Okay. Then you can see here. So it is using is very easy. Here it is asking for the PlayStation or what you are using from, and then you can consent, and then you can see here your teams and many other things. So from here you can use this app, and it's a very easy app to use. You can just go to the market, you can see the market value and many other things from here. So basically it's a app like you can build your team, you can be a builder, you can draft and use it again. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.